All right, all right, all right. It's time for the three big things you need to know. We want to get right down to it. We are going to discuss the collapse of the banks in Silicon Valley. We're going to talk about the Fed hikes that are impending and a couple of classes that I'm holding that you don't want to miss. So first things first, Zoom class and in person on Thursday, March the 23rd. That will be at 11 a.m. And I'm going to be teaching a class on specialty type of products. So if you're a real estate agent or if you're an investor or you are just looking to get in the market and there never seems to be the right program for you, I'm going to be discussing hard money loans, private money loans, mixed use properties, that's mixed commercial and residential, closing in the name of a ITIN, or if you are a DACA, and what products might be available, and foreign national products, what's available today in the market. You don't want to miss that. Thursday, March 23rd, 11 a.m. Second class I'm going to be teaching is going to be April the 4th at 6:30 p.m. This is for investors. This is not a first-time homebuyer class, but you could attend if you don't own and like to buy. This class is me laying out all the steps that you need to know to be able to acquire multiple properties with as little money down as you possibly can get away with and maximize your rate of return for investment properties. If you're interested in this class will sell out April 4th, 6:30 p.m., and that will be in person in Maitland. Address is attached. Go to WeBringYouHome.com, check out my events calendar, click on and register for these classes. That one will be $25 per person to get in or $30 per couple. It will fill up, so register right away. Then the third thing, what's going on with these Silicon Valley banks, okay? How are they going to impact us? And why does it have our government's attention so much? Well, I'm going to tell you something. Government really doesn't want to see bank collapses. It can affect the entire economy. And I don't think that there's any need for any of us to panic and pull our money out of our small banks or credit unions and put in the big banks. Quite frankly, I think the big banks have their own set of issues, and you can just go on the internet and see what type of lawsuits and fines are against Wells Fargo and Bank of America and Chase. I mean, they're just riddled with deception. So I'm not a big bank fan, even though I've been in the banking business my whole life. So I like the small banks, and I think we're safe with the small banks. But it could impact interest rates, and it could actually improve interest rates coming about. But it's a rocky road. I feel like I'm in a ride in a stagecoach right now, because one day we see rates dropping. The next day we see them going up. There's just no way to keep track of it. But I can tell you something. Interest rates are still relatively steady. They're still in the sixes, but they're pushing into the sevens. I'm going to tell you something, and this you can take to the bank. You are going to see higher rates as the year goes on. So if you are considering buying a home, refinancing a home, listen, I'm applying for the job. I'm a direct lender. I'm in all 50 states. I've got the best loans you could possibly ask for. I have every loan product, so there's no reason to go anywhere else. If you're a real estate agent, why not align yourself with the best? Our communication skills are over the top. Our programs are infinite. I close in 21 days. I'm telling you, there's no reason to go anywhere else. That is me, the Loan Arranger, CrossCountry Mortgage, Bruce Woodburn. That and those are the three big things you need to know. Have a great weekend.